Hey, welcome to this website. It's me, Steve here. I want to give you some insight on a particular platform that me and my wife have been using over the past several months. And you know what? We've actually made over $10,000 just for referring people to this online trading platform called Pocket Options. You know, you can easily trade like stocks, Bitcoin, gold, oil, other valuable assets. And all you got to do is just press a red or a green button. You can literally get paid in like 3 minutes or less. They call this type of trading HFX or high frequency trading or binary options. You've seen me talk about this method over the past several months. What's exciting about this platform is that you can actually put your trading on automation. They've got signal alerts. You can make huge referral commissions, and they got a whole lot of other features and functionality inside the system. You can actually set up a demo account just to check everything out, see how it all works. And again, it's free. And then of course, if you want to trade live, all you have to do is just fund your account. You can actually fund your account for as little as $50, but you can actually go higher if you want to. If you deposit $100, they actually give you a $50 bonus. So now you've got like $150 that you can use for trading. If you deposit $200, they actually give you a $100 bonus. So now you got like $300 that you can use for live trading. Basically, the more money you deposit, the more bonus money that they'll give you that you can use for your live trading sessions. But just start whatever works for you. When it comes to referrals, you actually get paid when your referrals actually create a live trading account, meaning they deposit some money in their account so they can start doing live trading. You see, you get paid when they fund their account. You also get paid when they win trades. I mean, guys, you get paid when they're winning trades, and you get paid when they refer people that actually create a live account as well. So it's just a lot of money in this platform. Plus, they got a whole lot of other bonuses and rewards and all kinds of cool stuff. You'll see all that stuff when you get into your back office and kind of looking around the information. And I know when we first started doing HFX and we started referring people to the platform, and we just kept looking at all these additional commissions that we were getting every week, no wonder why we've been able to make well over $10,000 just for referring people to the platform. And it just keeps growing every single week. Hey, watch the video right below this video here, and I'm gonna show you how to get cash in minutes using this platform. You'll see for yourself why so many people from around the globe are rushing to get access to Pocket Options. Hey, click the video right below. We'll see you on the next video.